teacher. My name is Kamkea Bunsawan. Today I will take video about my holiday. In my holiday I went to many places, but today I'm going to talk about my favorite travel and holiday. My favorite holiday is Kuangsi waterfall. Last year I went to there and I went to with my teacher and my friend. I got to there by when it took about 30 minutes. I went to there. I was so excited because it was the most beautiful place I had ever seen, with waterfalls falling from a height and surrounded by forest and beautiful nature. Afternoon, I stayed, have lunch with my teacher and my friend by the waterfall with the elite menu. And after that, I toured around the waterfall and I saw away in the area as well. And I took picture with my teacher and my friend to keep as a souvenir. I made my way back, but on my way back, my teacher took me on a trip of Tatkel Mungkun for a while. Then we took another photo together and traveled home happily. My favorite holiday that I was really impressed with. I learned a lot from there and I really got to see the beauty of the place. If you want to experience a good remote place like this, you don't forget to visit this Kuangsi waterfall. Welcome to Kuangsi waterfall. Thank you.